This is my tornado box for science stuff. We have plexiglass, a cardboard box, a whole fan. We're going to put some dry ice in the hot water, and the fan will suck it up. And we might see some going up there, but I'm not really sure.
Well, mainly, what do you want to see? What's the main thing?
The main thing that you want to see is a Swiss tour.
A tornado inside the box, yeah.
Or a Swiss tour.
Because what happens, yeah, same thing. What happens when you put dry ice in hot water?
It makes fog because it's so cold.
Lots of fog, yeah.
That makes the hot water cold because dry ice is very cold.
That's right.
If the dry ice is...
All right, let's get some ice and see what happens.
The big chunk?
Yeah.
Big chunk?
Yeah.
Okay. Grandma, come on.
How come you're wearing that glove?
So, because you don't want to touch dry ice.
What happens if you touch it with your skin?
It'll burn it.
Yeah. Bad for your skin, huh? Here we go.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
the fog.
Grandma, come on.
Oh, and it's making a twister, huh? There it goes.
Oh, yeah. It's really cool. Grandma? That you see?
Yeah, it's making it, huh? It's like 2 twisters in there. Very cool.
How cool is that?
Nice experiment, dude.